Hi Leo, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is your monthly forecast for April 2021. You can look this up for sun, moon or rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. To hear monthly updates and more oracle readings, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from Aurora Hotels. I have 4 cards laid out here which will highlight the messages for April 2021. The first card is about past influences affecting this month. Second card is the main theme for April 2021. Third card is highlighting roadblocks that you may face during this month. Fourth card is possibilities and opportunities coming your way. I will also be taking out one more guidance card from this oracle deck. So we have Two of Cups in past influence. We have Empress as the main theme for this month. We have Eight of Wands in the position of roadblocks. We have Ace of Swords in the position of possibilities. So let's start your reading. Two of Cups is a beautiful, positive card. So some of you may have met someone and would have felt a deep connection with this person. From relationship perspective, looks like you've had a very positive period. You both have been laying strong foundations for the future of your relationship. Some of you may have renewed your friendships or the memories and the time that you get to spend with your friends. Some of you may have made some real long-lasting friendships. Some of you would have got a chance to meet your friends after a long time, and you would have revered the bond that you share. Some of you may have found a new passion or a job that you may just love to do. With Empress over here, and it is also the main theme for this month, you're definitely working towards creating abundance both in your personal and professional life. You're feeling more positive, you're feeling more radiant, and you're feeling more upbeat about your future. You are about to manifest your desires and you have good fortune coming your way. So be it relationships or financial goals, things are about to get better for you. Empress also refers to a period of growth, creativity, abundance, and prosperity in your life. It also looks like a good time to incubate an idea, be it your own venture, be it a project you would like to be associated with, but you may need to be patient and allow things to slowly grow and develop. With Empress, it definitely reassures you that the road ahead is going to be much smoother and you would not experience setbacks or challenges. If you are committed in a relationship, things are probably going to move to the next level. Some of you may even be planning to have a child this year or may hear a news of expecting a child. If you're single, a new relationship is coming your way. You may be meeting someone with a similar mindset. The two of you will share the same creative passion and both of you would be able to share ideas and be a fantastic company to each other. It could be someone with an air sign of the zodiac, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Let's move to the roadblocks. We have Eight of Wands over here. So while all this goodness is going around for you, things may be a little slow, or you may face some unexpected pauses, or things may not just go your way for some time. You may feel probably wind is sailing in the opposite direction for you. Some of you may feel lethargic and less energized. and you would probably not be able to pace up the things as much as you would like to. So the pause that is coming may not necessarily be because of the environment around you or the external factors, but probably also because you are not in that shape to take things forward. So it will be very important for you to fix your health so that it doesn't become a blocker for you. I also see a lack of preparedness for an opportunity that may come your way. So be on top of things to excel. With Empress energy, the outcome would come in your favor, but try to avoid the blockers from your side and be patient. Also, during this time, be careful of any kind of conflict or theft during this time. Let's move to the possibilities that are coming your way, and we have Ace of Swords. Amazing card. Like Empress and Ace of Swords gives you a period with good opportunities coming your way. But with Ace of Swords, it also tells you that you will have to work towards making your dreams come true. So this is a good month for having a new perspective and a new attitude, be it from a relationship perspective, be it at work front, be it general well-being. Ace of Swords will give you opportunities if you have more clarity of what you want in your life. People in business or planning to start their own venture will be able to make a headway with new ideas and projects. People who are working in innovative fields would be able to get a breakthrough. At work, if you are waiting for that promotion to happen, it's coming your way. Some of you may get a dream project to work on. People who are awaiting a new job would hear good news post third week of April. I would take out one more card for guidance from this oracle deck. Card is Fellow Traveler. The message it reads is support is all around you. Beautiful culmination card. So be open to support and help from others. You don't need to do everything alone. Sometimes that support comes from someone you least expect. If someone offers you help, accept it. Trust that your life is being guided for your betterment. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you're able to resonate with this reading, please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretels for more updates. Keep watching. Much love.